Hello, my friends. You found your way here because you're curious, eager, and ready to explore the possibility of manifesting not just one, but multiple desires at once. And that's wonderful because life doesn't ask us to limit our dreams. It invites us to expand, to believe, and to trust that all things are possible. Let's begin with something simple. Your desires are not random. They're whispers of the life you're meant to live. But how can we make them all come alive at the same time? The key lies in understanding one fundamental truth: your imagination is the blueprint for creation. Everything begins within you, and nothing is impossible when you align your inner world with your outer desires. Now, let's talk about clarity. To manifest multiple things, you must first get clear on what you want. This isn't about obsessing over details, it's about understanding the essence of your desires. Let's say you want a new job, a fulfilling relationship, and better health. Rather than juggling them in your mind like a to-do list, see them as part of a harmonious life. Visualize yourself already living this reality. Picture the vibrant health, the fulfilling work, and the love you desire all existing simultaneously. In the world of imagination, there's no conflict, everything coexists perfectly. The next step is alignment. When you feel overwhelmed by the thought of manifesting many things, remind yourself that the same power creates all outcomes. Whether it's a cup of coffee or a new home, the process is identical. It's your belief and conviction that determine the result. Align yourself emotionally with the feeling of already having these things. Feel the joy of living that life. Feel the freedom, the gratitude, the excitement. Emotions are the language of creation. When you feel it, you draw it closer. Let's touch on focus, because this is where most people get tangled. You don't need to focus on each desire separately. Instead, focus on the state of being where all these desires are fulfilled. Think of it as setting the tone for your life. If your tone is one of abundance, joy, and fulfillment, everything that matches that tone will naturally flow to you. It's not about micromanaging the details, it's about setting the stage and allowing the universe to handle the rest. Another crucial element is detachment. Many misunderstand this concept and think it means giving up on their desires. That's not true. Detachment means releasing the need to control how and when things will happen. Trust the process. When you plant a seed, you don't dig it up every day to check its growth. You water it, give it sunlight, and trust that it will bloom. The same principle applies here. Let your desires rest in the fertile soil of your imagination and know they are coming to fruition. Now, let's address one of the most powerful tools you have: gratitude. Gratitude is the bridge between what is and what's coming. It signals to the universe that you are ready to receive. But here's the secret: don't just be grateful for what you already have, be grateful for what's on its way. Act as if it's already yours. Feel thankfulness for that new job, that loving relationship, that vibrant health. Gratitude accelerates the manifestation process because it aligns you with the energy of abundance. When you set out to manifest multiple things at once, one of the most overlooked aspects is your inner dialogue. How you speak to yourself determines the energy you bring to your desires. If your thoughts are scattered or contradictory, wanting abundance but speaking words of lack, you dilute your power. Instead, aim to have your thoughts, words, and feelings flow in the same direction. Think of it as tuning a musical instrument. When everything is in harmony, the melody of your life plays beautifully. Speak affirmations that affirm your wholeness, such as, "I am capable of creating the life I desire effortlessly." Let these words guide your inner conversation. Another crucial factor is staying receptive. Manifestation isn't about forcing or struggling, it's about opening yourself to receive. Often, people get stuck because they don't feel worthy of their desires. You must cultivate a mindset that welcomes abundance as your natural state. When opportunities present themselves, don't second-guess whether you're ready or deserving. You wouldn't question the sun rising for you, it's simply yours to enjoy. Approach your desires with the same confidence, they are your birthright. Patience is another element that cannot be ignored. Often, we see a delay in one area and assume nothing is happening. This couldn't be further from the truth. Manifestation operates like planting a diverse garden. Some seeds sprout quickly, while others require more time to break through the soil. While you may see one desire fulfilled swiftly, another may require weeks or months to show signs of growth. This isn't a sign of failure but of balance. Trust that all parts are coming together in their perfect time, like pieces of a puzzle forming a complete picture. To stay on course, consistently check in with yourself. Take time to reflect on what's unfolding in your life. Are you noticing signs or small shifts that indicate progress? These moments, however subtle, are confirmations that your efforts are working. Keep a journal where you jot down synchronicities, unexpected blessings, or changes in your circumstances. Tracking these wins, no matter how small, will keep your focus sharp and your energy aligned with success. Don't underestimate the energy of joy and fun. Manifestation doesn't have to be a solemn task. The more you enjoy the process, the more effortlessly your desires come to you. Engage in activities that make you happy, laugh freely, and surround yourself with positivity. When you're in a state of joy, your vibration naturally rises, aligning you with the life you seek. Treat this process as a delightful video, not a rigid routine. Your happiness is as much a part of the manifestation as your intentions. Here's something practical you can start doing today. Create a scene in your mind where all your desires have come true. Make it vivid and real. Imagine yourself walking through your ideal day. What does it look like? Who are you with? What are you doing? See it, feel it, hear it, and immerse yourself in it completely. Then, replay this scene in your mind daily, especially as you drift off to sleep. Why sleep? Because in that drowsy state, your mind is most receptive to new ideas. Plant the seeds of your desires in this fertile ground, and they will grow. Now, let's address fear and doubt. They're normal, but they don't serve you. If you catch yourself doubting, gently bring your focus back to your vision. Affirm to yourself, it is done. My desires are already mine. This isn't about ignoring reality, it's about choosing which reality to invest in. Remember, what you focus on expands. So, focus on the life you want, not the obstacles in your way. One more thing, don't underestimate the power of small actions. While your imagination is the foundation, your actions are the bridge to manifestation. These don't have to be grand gestures, they just need to align with your vision. For example, if you're manifesting health, take small steps like drinking more water or moving your body joyfully. If you're manifesting a new job, update your resume or network with others in your field. These actions show the universe you're serious, and they align your energy with your desires. Remember that manifesting multiple things at once is not a race, it's a dance. Some desires may come quickly, while others take time. That's okay. The timing is always perfect, even if it doesn't feel like it at the moment. Trust that everything is unfolding for your highest good. Celebrate each manifestation, no matter how small. Each one is a sign that you're on the right path. You are powerful beyond measure, and life is always conspiring in your favor. Hold your vision, trust the process, and know that your desires are already on their way to you. You are the creator of your reality, and there are no limits to what you can achieve. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've explored together. The ability to manifest multiple things at once is not a lofty dream reserved for a few, it's a skill that anyone can master. The power lies within you to shape your reality through your focus, emotions, and belief. Manifestation isn't just about acquiring, it's about expanding into the fullness of what life has to offer. If this message resonates with you, take a moment now to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support not only helps spread these teachings to others but also strengthens your own commitment to growth and transformation. You've already taken the first step by exploring this wisdom. Now, consider how you can implement it in your life. Start today by visualizing the fulfillment of your desires. No matter how big or small they may seem, trust that they are equally achievable. Stay consistent in your practice, and watch how the universe begins to conspire in your favor. Before we part, one more gentle nudge: if you've enjoyed this content, please take a second to hit that like button. And subscribing is your way of staying connected to this growing body of knowledge that's here to uplift and empower you. So, what's next for you? Start small or go bold, it's entirely up to you. But don't forget to act. The power to manifest multiple things at once doesn't lie in theory but in practice. You have everything you need right here and now. Step forward with faith, and you'll see results that surpass your expectations. Thank you for being here and for engaging with these ideas. If you feel inspired, give this video a like and consider subscribing. It's a simple way to stay on this path together and bring more light into the world.